Hey there, future Wall Street titans. Ready to embark on an exhilarating journey? Ever dreamed of watching your money grow while you sleep? Imagine waking up to see your investments flourishing, or maybe funding that dream vacation just from savvy investments. Picture yourself on a beach, knowing your smart choices made it possible. Well, buckle up, because the stock market is your ticket to financial freedom. It's like a roller coaster ride, thrilling and full of potential. It's a wild ride, full of twists and turns, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can turn those market swings into serious profits. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your strategic decisions pay off. Let's dive in and learn how to build a stock portfolio from scratch. Starting from the basics, we'll guide you step by step. The stock market can seem intimidating, like a jungle full of unknown creatures. But every jungle has a path, and we're here to help you find it. But don't worry, we're here to be your guide. With expert advice and clear strategies, you'll navigate this jungle with confidence. We'll equip you with the tools and knowledge you need to navigate this exciting world and come out on top. From understanding market trends to making informed decisions, we've got you covered. Remember, every expert investor started right where you are now, at the beginning. They learned, adapted, and grew just like you will. So let's get started and turn those financial dreams into reality. With dedication and the right approach, your financial goals are within reach. Think of your stock portfolio like assembling a team of all-star players. Each player has a unique role and brings something special to the table. Each stock you choose represents a different company, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. And just like a well-rounded team needs a mix of skills, your portfolio needs diversity to succeed. This means including a variety of stocks from different sectors. This collection of stocks, bonds, and other investments becomes your very own financial dream team, working together to achieve your financial goals. They work tirelessly, day and night, to score you financial goals and help you reach new heights. But how do you choose the right players for your team? It's not as simple as picking names out of a hat. That's where things get interesting. The process involves strategy and insight. Building a stock portfolio isn't about blindly throwing darts at a board, hoping for the best, though it might feel like that sometimes when the market is unpredictable. It requires careful research, planning, and a good understanding of your own financial goals and risk tolerance. You need to know what you want to achieve and how much risk you're willing to take. Remember, building a winning portfolio takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy for building wealth and securing your financial future. Patience and persistence are key. So, are you ready to draft your dream team? It's time to put in the work and make informed decisions. Let's learn how to pick those winning stocks and build a portfolio that stands the test of time. With the right approach, you can create a team that not only meets, but exceeds your financial goals. Before you even think about buying your first stock, take a moment to define your investment goals. This is a crucial first step that many overlook, but it can make all the difference in your financial journey. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or maybe that dream trip around the world? Each of these goals requires a different approach and strategy. Having clear financial goals is like having a roadmap. It guides your investment decisions and keeps you focused on the long game. Without this roadmap, you might find yourself lost or making impulsive decisions that don't align with your long-term objectives. Your investment timeline also plays a crucial role. The length of time you plan to invest can significantly impact the types of investments that are suitable for you. Are you investing for the long haul, say 10, 20, or even 30 years down the line? Long-term investments often allow for more aggressive strategies since you have time to ride out market fluctuations. Or do you need to access your money sooner? Short-term goals might require more conservative investments to ensure your funds are available when you need them. Your investment time horizon will dictate the level of risk you're comfortable taking. Longer horizons can typically handle more risk, while shorter ones might necessitate a more cautious approach. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. Each investor has unique circumstances and goals that require a tailored strategy. Your goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline are unique to you. It's important to take these factors into account when planning your investment strategy. So, before you start building your portfolio, take the time to understand your own financial needs and aspirations. This self-awareness will serve as the foundation for all your future investment decisions, helping you stay on track and achieve your financial dreams. You've heard the saying, right? Well, it holds true in the stock market too. Diversification is the key to mitigating risk and protecting your hard-earned money. In simple terms, it means spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies. Think of it like this. If you invest all your money in one company and that company goes belly up, you lose everything. But if you diversify your investments across different companies, sectors, and asset classes, even if one investment performs poorly, the others can cushion the blow. Remember, diversification is your best defense against market volatility. By spreading your risk, you increase your chances of achieving consistent returns over the long term. So, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio and watch your investments grow. Section 5. Reading the charts. Technical analysis might sound intimidating, but it's like learning a new language. Once you understand the basics, you can start to decipher the charts and identify potential trading opportunities. Think of technical analysis as reading the story the market is telling you. By analyzing historical price movements, trading volumes, and other market data, you can identify patterns and trends that can help you predict future price movements. Remember, technical analysis is just one piece of the puzzle. It's not a foolproof system, and it's important to use it in conjunction with other forms of analysis like fundamental analysis. But by learning to read the charts, you can gain valuable insights into market sentiment and potentially improve your trading decisions. Section 6. Behind the numbers. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of fundamental analysis. This approach is all about understanding the intrinsic value of a company. It's like peeking behind the curtain to see what makes a business tick. Fundamental analysis involves examining a company's financial statements, industry trends, management team, and other relevant factors to determine its true worth. Think of it like being a financial detective, searching for clues to uncover hidden gems in the market. Remember, fundamental analysis is a powerful tool for uncovering undervalued companies with strong growth potential. By understanding a company's financial health, you can make more informed investment decisions and potentially reap the rewards of long-term growth. Section 7. Keeping your portfolio in tip-top shape. Building a winning stock portfolio is like maintaining a well-oiled machine. It requires regular checkups, adjustments, and a keen eye for detail. That's where portfolio balancing comes in. As market conditions change, the value of your investments will fluctuate, and your portfolio might become overexposed to certain sectors or asset classes. Rebalancing involves selling some of your winners and reinvesting those profits into underperforming areas to maintain your desired asset allocation. Remember, portfolio balancing is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and adjustments to ensure your investments align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. By staying proactive and keeping your portfolio in tip-top shape, you'll be well positioned to weather market storms and achieve long-term success. Section 8. Staying ahead of the game. In the fast-paced world of the stock market, information is power. Staying updated on market trends, economic indicators, and company-specific news can give you a competitive edge and help you make more informed investment decisions. Thankfully, with the rise of technology, accessing real-time market insights has never been easier. From financial news websites and mobile apps to social media platforms and online forums, a wealth of information is available at your fingertips. Remember, staying informed is crucial for navigating the ever-changing landscape of the stock market. By staying ahead of the curve, and keeping your finger on the pulse of the market, you'll be better equipped to identify opportunities, manage risks, and achieve your investment goals. Section 9. Start building your financial future. Congratulations! You've now embarked on an exciting journey into the world of stock investing. Remember, building a successful stock portfolio takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right knowledge, strategy, and a dash of patience, you can achieve your financial dreams. From setting clear investment goals and diversifying your portfolio to mastering technical and fundamental analysis and staying updated on market trends, you've acquired the essential tools to navigate the stock market with confidence. Now, it's time to put that knowledge into action and start building your financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Open a brokerage account, start researching companies, and take that first step towards financial freedom. The stock market awaits, and the possibilities are endless.